RAB arrested three members of a militant organization named Ansar al-Islam from Cox's Bazar. Extremist pamphlets, leaflets, and manuals for making explosive were recovered. They were arrested from Chofuldundi in Cox's Bazar Shodor on Thursday night. According to RAB, the top leaders of the militant organization Ansar al-Islam started new activities under the name of As Shahadat after being detained one after another.
শাহাদাত নামের নতুন একটি দল খুলে তারা রিক্রুটিং কার্যক্রমে নিয়োজিত ছিল।
According to RAB, among the three detained, Niamad and Ozair are students of Chittagong's Potia Madrasa. They went to Cox's Bazar instead of going home during the closing time of Eid al-Adha. They went there to consult a leader of that organization. However, RAB did not reveal the name of that top leader in the press conference. RAB said that it will be investigated whether they had any sabotage plan in Cox's Bazar. Those arrested on charges of militant activities are Zakaria Mondol of Jamalpur, Niamatullah Borhanuddin of Bhola, and Muhammad Ozair from Feni. News Desk, TTN.